Hello, this is Cyberjargon. Today we're going to talk about Proton Mail. Proton Mail is a free encrypted email, which is a end-to-end encrypted email service founded in 2013 in Geneva, Switzerland by scientists who spent time at the CERN research facility. It has over 20 million users as of today. It was created by Dr. Andy, CEO, founder, and Dr. It launched in 2014, May 16. It's available in English and a variety of languages. They have a free plan, which is the beginning, and also has a paid subscription plan, up to you, but it's relatively cheap. The $0 for Proton email, which includes like a VPN network you'll get, and it also for the email they can charge you €4 per month, or $48 a year, or $625 per month, or $75 a year, or $24 per month, or $288 per year. Those are like from basic is $0. For business, $4, and so forth from there. And let's go into Proton email. Easy setup. Okay, this is what it looks like to create email messages and so forth. It has a mobile app available on the Android, iOS, and there's a web version. It has data security and neutrality, open source. It's free to use. You can donate to company for product research and so forth if you desire. This is what it looks like inside. Emails right here. Everything's encrypted. It's easy to create an account. Let's go to what they have. They have for individuals and businesses. Let's say you want to do individual. Relatively easy. It's just create an account. 625 Visionary is access to all Proton features, including email and secure web browsing through product VPN. Get 6 inboxes for a small team or family. Professionals for businesses. Priority support. Customize your plan as much as you need based on its encrypted email. This is what it looks like. How they encrypt it. And access your data. Custom filters. You can choose like a small video you can watch on how it works. Go to like this is what it looks like. This is Geneva, Switzerland, United Nations. And then you choose your professional plan if you desire. Create an account is very simple. Right? Sign up, right? And you get the free plan. You get 500 MB storage, 150 messages per day, limited support. You can upgrade anytime you want. That's the $4 where you get 5 gigabytes, send to 1,000 messages and so forth, up to 5 email. You can create 5 email addresses. This one gives you a total up to 10 domains. Earning access to new feature, 20 gigabyte storage, $24 a month. This is the professional one with $6.25. It's everything included plus a little bit additional information in US. Also, it has social media followings in Facebook, Twitter, Reddit, Instagram, Mastodon. Let's check that. Mastodon. 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 Was this a famous band? Well, I type for social media, see what they have on that. Mastodon is a software that is a free open source for social network. Similar features as Twitter. Initial March 2016. Available in 69 languages. Also, it has a you can donate option if you want to donate to them. It's up to you. It's not required. And it's protected by the European Union Horizon and Switzerland Security Exchange. And let's see what else they have. also have an affiliate program. Typically don't have now. Just contact them. Founder, CEO, CTO, they have the management, all their pictures. A little brief description in the background. They range from Europe and so forth. Some are from mobile, customer support. Or you check to their open positions, they're always hiring. As an animaker, it's 20%. If you like this video, if you like everyone, so they know about Proton VPN, check it out. It sends emails very quickly. Everything is encrypted, so you can protect your privacy online.